Everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with Teespring using home decor section. So you can actually sell your own products using home and decor and they ship it for you. So we're going to click on all, and also we're going to see that there's a lot of products here. So these are the actual products that they can be used at home, which actually I believe that these are very useful for like these are going to be like targeting on mothers, dads, and those audiences who have money. So let's create an actual thing for our. Um, so let's try to like sell these for people. So I'm gonna make a wallpapery, and I'm gonna add a text. So these are like so profitable. All you have to do is just make this and then go on TikTok and spam it like with showing the product, and it will probably go viral, guys. So let's do it. So let's go and do it. So I just write a slogan here. So this slogan shows that um, this is gonna be the text um, on the thing, the curtain, and so wall tapestry. So yeah, that's how you do it. This is so easy. You just have to put your things. You can add an image and you can set your pricing. And you can sell these for like 29.99, which you can make 29 cents. But if you make like an actual premium product, like a good design, you can sell them for like $50, but it has to be a good product, and you can make $20 per product. Product details are here, and it's so easy. You just have to like launch it and then list it, and they will automatically ship it for you. And let's check the other things. Let's check the stainless water bottle. Let's add an image. So I'm just gonna add the image here, downloads. Let's add Texas logo. So let's add this logo. So it shows how to do it and it shows the design. We go here and press on preview, and it will show you that your product is ready. You can put your pricing here and then you can press continue and you can sell it and they will ship it for you, which is the good part. So what you do is you put your own design, you make a brand, and you sell it on Teespring. You can make a lot of profit, and that's really cool. So you can target like 18 to 55 people using this technique of making money. You can also print glass. These are for premium products since they're like $20 each. You can add a text easily and continue, and you can do it easily. So this will help you to make a store about wall and decor. And this is really easy, guys. Make sure to do it. There's also mugs here. Like if you open a brand and um, like, so let me show you guys. So this one, let's preview. So it shows like they print it for you, and these are premium high premium products, and it will you can sell it for 16.99. If it's actually a good thing, like you can make a mug about a trend, and it will make you a lot of money, guys. So this is easy, easy money, and it will help you. You can also sell pillows. 1950 is the base cost, and you can continue design it, do whatever you want. You can put a text, you can put a quote, and you can make a lot of money using the Volt and Decor section. And basically, this was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.